It's just better in every area of the car, from the cockpit to aerodynamics to grip.
Consistency through the corner and consistency through the stint.
2 years ago we started a clean sheet of paper for the 2019 RSR, looking at what the weaknesses were on the 17 RSR and what we can incorporate on the new car.
When we start such a project, we have to consider all the aspects of the car. Generally, for a race car, aerodynamics is a key. We are running at very high speed, so we can generate high forces, which means a lot of grip.
We always try and make the car bulletproof for a 24-hour race, and if it can withstand 30 hours plus without any technical issues, it's obviously a good sign-off.
One of the main targets of the car was to improve the drivability, to make the car easy to drive for every driver.
From the driving side, you feel the car less pitch sensitive, the aerodynamic is more linear, usable for the driver.
The steering is a huge step. It's a lot of buttons on a new car, a lot of possibilities to tune during driving. Big smile when I was coming out for the first time, so it's really positive, and all the testing we did going really in a good direction.
The performance of the car has been really good so far, very consistent, easy to drive and fast, so that's all we've wanted to achieve with this car, and I'm really happy with it.